The planet Jupiter has dark-colored bands and large spots in its outer atmosphere that constantly change. Which of the following tools would be most useful in observing Jupiter's bands and spots from Earth? A. Telescope. B. Microscope. C. Hand lens. D. Computer probe.
A. Correct. A telescope is designed for viewing distant astronomical objects such as Jupiter. It would provide the magnification and focus needed to view Jupiter's bands and spots from Earth. B. Incorrect. A microscope is designed for viewing very small objects in the laboratory. A large, faraway planet, such as Jupiter, could not be viewed using a microscope. C. Incorrect. A hand lens magnifies objects that are within reach. Jupiter is too far away, and its image would not be magnified well by a hand lens. D. Incorrect. A computer probe measures data from samples near the location of the attached computer. A computer probe on Earth would not be able to gather much data from a distant planet such as Jupiter.